All right, I just got my trunk in the from UPS today. It's my Viking Cycle. It's a Century trunk. I'm gonna open this up here, take a look at it. There's the installation instructions, which should be fairly simple. It's not a permanent installation, but looks like they packed it up pretty good in the box. And they got a nice plastic bag. Motorcycle luggage experts, Viking Bags, award-winning motorcycle bags. And I already have their trunks on my Indian Scout 60. But let's get this bag open here. Ooh. Try to get this plastic off everything. That's some pretty good plastic on there. Trunk seems pretty solid already. See if I can get all this off. Yeah, it's a nice solid trunk. And see, it comes with a key and everything. It's the same key as like on my saddle bags. That little sticker up there too. But it's got that nice carry handle. It's lockable. It's got the straps on here too. I think, yep, those are, you can lock those straps too. I've seen these on a couple other videos. Let me see. But it looks like you can put a couple more padlocks on there. And it's got a couple side pouches. You can put the some padlocks too. Let's see how much room in here. Oh yeah, it still zips closed too, so that's pretty secure. And of course the obligatory tissue paper. But yeah, you can fit something in there if you wanted to just throw your wallet or something in there. And that's pretty good though, that they put a zipper in there. And they've got it so you can put a padlock. So that's pretty good. Of course, probably the same thing on this side. I don't see this side being any different. Well, let's get the goodies out of there. That's on there pretty good too. You didn't put any tissue paper in this one. That's nice. You got the little side pouches on there that you can lock. A little easier to snap that in there. I'm gonna have to see if I can get this key off. There we go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Get that junk off there. And of course, I undid these already. Turn the key, open it. It's pretty stiff right now. It's cold outside today. Let me put this up against here. But it's got a nice, nice pouch, Velcro pouch in here. And put some stuff in there. And this here is actually a rain cover for it. Hopefully I won't ever have to use this, but if I do need it, there it is. And then, let me see. We got a carrying strap. Looks like a shoulder strap, I think, so you can take it off and use it like, you know, whatever. If you go traveling, like say West Virginia motor vloggers meetup, it'll come in handy. That's a nice solid bottom too. You see, no pouches on the side, just the one, but that's a pretty good sized bag. It's not huge, but it looks, you know, it's deep. And for me having a smaller bike with a smaller rack on it, that'll be pretty good. I mean, that's quite a bit of space, and actually it goes up pretty high here too. You can see the lock's pretty solid made. This is really solid here. This is all metal frame all the way around, so it won't lose its shape. And it looks like we got another type of strap here. Let me see, I don't know, I'm not sure what that one's for. I'll have to look that up. Then there's there's the bungee cords to help strap it down. I see this is off there, but that's no big deal. I could actually just tie that and put it back on. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use that strap or not. I may do something a little different. But there's the instructions for that. Let me turn it around. Okay, that must be the sissy bar strap then. The other one. Yeah, okay, there you go. You can strap it to the sissy bar through there, which I definitely will probably do that. And then it's got some nice heavy duty screws holding the lid together. But it's got all these D-rings on here too, so you could put other kinds of straps on here. But this looks pretty simple. Looks nice. That thing's solid. It's not a cheap leather bag. It's solid. I mean, you can hear, you know, it's pretty solid. It'll hold its shape for a long time. But I'll have to do another video later on and actually put it on the bike. Right now it's kind of crappy out. It's snowing again here in NEPA. But this is my Viking Bags trunk for my Indian Scout 60. That's actually universal anyway, so any type of bike you want to put it on, that you have a sissy bar or something to strap it to, and a rack. Even if you don't have a rack, you can always put it on if you have a passenger seat or something. But let's see, that's all right. Yep, there's the nice Velcro strap for it. That'll go around your sissy bar or your pad or whatever. And then, like I said, let me lock this thing. It comes with this nice carrying strap, so you get to your hotel or wherever and strap it on, and you got yourself a nice little, almost like a duffel bag, but a lot more solid than a gym bag would be on your bike, that's for sure. And of course, like I said, it comes with that rain cover and everything, and it's lockable. But that's it, the Viking Century trunk. Thanks again.